Okay, let's finish this model here. So I'm going to don't quite like the way that the inside of this cabinet's looking, so I'm going to pull it out just a little bit. Too much. Just just a little bit here. There we go. Just a little bit. That's a good distance there. That looks pretty good. All right. And I want to step out of the, there we go. Now with that paneling, I could extend it on further down if I'd like and whatnot. So I'm going to do a couple of other things here. Let's see, how about a few lights? So I'm going to go to components and search for lighting. Let's see what's available there. Not very specific, so how about a few, see what these look like, these hanging lights. Yeah, I'm stuck. Very interesting. There we go. It's thinking about it. Right there. Took a while for these to come in. These interesting lamps. And circle around those a little bit just to see what they look like. That's great. I'm not too crazy about them. I'm going to delete them. Let's see what some other ones might look like. It's 4,000, so maybe I want to be a little more specific. Let's say I'm going to do, how about sconce? S-C-O-N-C-E, sconce. There, that's a little more interesting. Okay, I'm going to try that. That's kind of cool. Oh, this is interesting. It comes in at a perpendicular angle to what my wall is. So I'm going to bring it in and then turn it. Okay. Let's see what I can do here. So there we go. Turned it at 90 degrees. And try moving it out a little bit. There we go. And have it till it just kisses the wall. There we go.